Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and how it's changing the game for creators like you. Whether you're looking to turn your ideas into stunning videos or code faster and smarter, AI has got you covered. In this video, we're going to be showing you 5 mind-blowing AI tools that are going to completely revolutionize your workflow. We're talking next-level stuff here, guys. These tools are going to help you push your creative boundaries and get things done more efficiently than ever before. Stay tuned. These tools are set to revolutionize your workflow. Let's jump right in. First up, we're taking a look at Lumen 5, an AI-powered video creation platform that's about to become your new secret weapon. And trust me, this thing is packed with features. One of the things I love about Lumen 5 is how it takes the guesswork out of video creation. You know how sometimes you just get stuck staring at a blank timeline? Lumen 5 is like having a creative collaborator right there with you. Need help with your script? Lumen 5's AI can help you structure your ideas and even suggest different writing styles. And if you're not a fan of recording your own voiceovers, no problem. Lumen 5 has got a library of AI-generated voices to choose from. But it doesn't stop there. Lumen 5 can also analyze your content and suggest relevant visuals and scenes. It's like having a built-in editor who just gets you. What's really cool is that Lumen 5 is designed to be super user-friendly. You don't need any prior video editing experience to create professional-looking videos. The interface is clean and intuitive, and you can drag and drop elements to your heart's content. Plus, Lumen 5 has a ton of templates and stock footage to get you started. Whether you're creating videos for social media, your website, or even internal presentations, Lumen 5 has got you covered. It's the perfect tool for anyone who wants to create high-quality videos without the hassle. Check the links in the description for more details. Next up, we've got Filmora Wondershare, a video editing software that's known for its user-friendly interface and powerful features. Whether you're a novice just starting out or a seasoned pro, Filmora Wondershare offers a range of tools that cater to all skill levels. But what really sets Filmora Wondershare apart is its integration of artificial intelligence. We're talking about features that can save you time and elevate your video editing game to new heights. Imagine having a smart assistant that helps you make creative decisions faster and more efficiently. One of the standout AI-powered features in Filmora Wondershare is its collection of over 1,000 video templates. These templates are designed to make video creation a breeze, with pre-animated elements, transitions, and effects. Whether you're creating a vlog, a tutorial, or a promotional video, there's a template for every occasion. But here's where the AI comes in. Filmora Wondershare can analyze your footage and suggest templates that best match your content. It's like having a personal assistant who can sift through thousands of options and present you with the perfect one. This feature not only saves you time, but also ensures that your video has a professional touch. And if you're looking to add a human touch to your videos without actually filming real people, Filmora Wondershare has got you covered. They've got these really cool animated AI avatars that can mimic facial expressions and lip movements. These avatars can be a game changer for creating engaging content without the need for a camera crew. You can customize their appearance, choose from different voices, and even adjust their emotional range. It's a great way to add a unique and engaging element to your videos, especially if you're not comfortable being on camera yourself. The level of customization available ensures that your avatars can fit seamlessly into any type of video content. Another AI-powered feature that I love is the audio ducking tool. This automatically adjusts the volume of your background music whenever there's dialogue or voiceover, ensuring that your audio is always clear and balanced. This feature is particularly useful for interviews, podcasts, and any content where clear audio is crucial. And let's not forget about the AI-powered noise reduction tool, which can intelligently identify and remove unwanted background noise from your audio. It's like magic, but for audio editing. This tool is perfect for cleaning up recordings made in less than ideal environments, making your audio sound professional and polished. Overall, Filmora Wondershare is a fantastic option for both beginner and experienced video editors who are looking for an intuitive yet powerful editing software. With its AI-powered features, you can unleash your creativity and produce high-quality videos with ease. Whether you're editing for fun or for professional purposes, Filmora Wondershare has something to offer everyone. All right, moving on to something a little different but equally impressive, Jasper. Now, if you're anything like me, you know the struggle of staring at a blank page, trying to come up with compelling content. It's a feeling that can be incredibly frustrating and demotivating. Whether it's writing blog posts, social media captions, or even video scripts, sometimes the words just don't flow. You sit there waiting for inspiration to strike, but it feels like an uphill battle. That's where Jasper comes in. This AI-powered writing assistant is designed to make your life easier. Jasper can help you generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. Imagine having a tool that can speed up your writing process significantly. But here's the thing. Jasper isn't just about spitting out random words. It's much more sophisticated than that. It's actually designed to understand your writing style and tone. This means it can produce content that feels authentically you. You can feed it examples of your previous work, and it will learn your preferences, like your go-to phrases, your sentence structure, even your sense of humor. It's like having a writing partner who knows you inside and out. This makes the collaborative process seamless and efficient. One of the things I find most impressive about Jasper is its ability to create cohesive and professional content. It doesn't just throw words together, it crafts well-thought-out pieces. You can give it a brief outline or even just a few keywords, and it will generate different options for you to choose from. This flexibility allows you to explore various angles and approaches. And if you're not happy with the initial output, you can always ask Jasper to rephrase, expand, or even change the tone of the text. It's incredibly versatile and responsive to your needs. It's like having an on-demand editor at your fingertips. You can make adjustments on the fly, ensuring the final product is exactly what you envisioned. But Jasper's capabilities go beyond just writing. It can also help you with things like SEO optimization, ensuring your content is not only well-written but also discoverable. It can also assist in generating blog post ideas, crafting compelling email subject lines, and even brainstorming new content strategies. Jasper is truly a multifaceted tool that can elevate your writing game to the next level. Now let's talk about something that's going to excite all the coders out there: GitHub Copilot. This AI-powered tool is like having a coding buddy who's always one step ahead of you, anticipating your needs and helping you navigate through complex coding challenges. Imagine this. You're in the zone, writing code, and suddenly you hit a roadblock. It's frustrating, right? You know what you want to achieve, but you can't quite figure out the syntax or the most efficient way to write it. The struggle is real. That's where GitHub Copilot swoops in to save the day, acting like a superhero for your coding dilemmas. GitHub Copilot integrates directly into your code editor and provides real-time code suggestions as you type, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. It's like having an autocomplete feature on steroids, but way more intelligent and context-aware. But here's the really cool part. GitHub Copilot doesn't just suggest random snippets of code. It's much smarter than that. It actually understands the context of your code and can generate entire functions or blocks of code based on your comments or even your code's naming conventions. It's like having a second brain dedicated to coding. It's like it can read your mind and translate your thoughts into code, making the coding process feel almost magical. And if you're working with a new library or framework that you're not familiar with, GitHub Copilot can be a lifesaver, guiding you through unfamiliar territory. It can help you find the right functions and methods, and even provide examples of how to use them, saving you hours of research and trial and error. One of the most transformative features of GitHub Copilot is its ability to convert natural language into code, bridging the gap between human thought and machine execution. You can literally describe what you want your code to do in plain English, and GitHub Copilot will attempt to generate the corresponding code for you. It's like having a conversation with your computer, making coding more accessible and intuitive than ever before. Last but not least, we have Synthesia, an AI-powered video creation platform that's changing the way we think about video production. Imagine being able to create professional-looking videos with realistic AI avatars, all without the need for cameras, actors, or expensive studios. That's the power of Synthesia. With Synthesia, you can choose from a diverse cast of AI avatars, each with its own unique look and personality. You can customize their appearance, choose from different languages and accents, and even adjust their tone of voice. Once you've selected your avatar, creating a video is as simple as typing in your script. Synthesia's AI engine will then generate a video of your avatar speaking your words, complete with natural-looking lip movements and facial expressions. But it doesn't stop there. Synthesia also offers a range of customization options, allowing you to add backgrounds, music, and even screen recordings to your videos. You can create everything from explainer videos and product demos to training materials and marketing content, all with the power of AI. Synthesia is incredibly easy to use, even if you have no prior video editing experience. The platform is intuitive and user-friendly, and there are plenty of tutorials and resources available to help you get started. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or an educator, Synthesia empowers you to create engaging and professional videos that captivate your audience. So there you have it, our top 5 AI tools to transform your workflow: Lumen 5, Filmora Wondershare, Jasper, GitHub Copilot, and Synthesia. These tools are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, and they're only getting more powerful and accessible over time. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.